What's going on, crypto fam? Today is Monday, April 18th. Hope everybody had a nice Easter, nice Thanksgiving. Listen to me, Passover, and hope everybody's been doing well in the markets. I know it's been pretty rough out there today. We had a little bit of a rally, but Bitcoin's in a very precarious spot. I've been talking about it on my Facebook the last few days. So, let's see if we rally from here. Let's see if we hold the line or we're going to continue on down tonight. But, who knows? Everybody got their taxes done. They know what kind of returns they're getting, and maybe they're ready to put their money back into the market. So, just keep an eye on it for the next few days. But tonight, we're not going to talk much about Bitcoin. Tonight, I want to talk about OGN, which is Origin Protocol. So let's take a look at the charts. All right, so here we have Origin Protocol. Let's look at it the weekly. So weekly came up, bounced off the Kijinsen, reversed, bounced off the Tengen-sen, and we look like we're heading back up. We still have good volatility upside coming in. We just got a continuation long tonight, right? The 3-day closes tonight. So as long as we stay above 62 cents by tonight, that would be a continuation signal for me on OGN. On the weekly, actually, sorry guys, that was the weekly. We still got a few days to go, right? Before, so this has to hold above 62 over the next couple days in order to get a continuation signal on it. Let's look at the 3-day. 3-day ends tonight. 3 days giving me a signal, right? We got the crossover in RTSI above the 0 line, and the Water Tower Explorer is both above the explosion level, and it's green. So we are in the cloud. Not the best place to be on the 3-day, but looks good so far. We could see a push back down to 59, and then upside. But right now it's looking good, man. And then the daily. Let's look at the daily. So daily gave me the signal yesterday. It was the only coin give me a signal yesterday, and I didn't take it because of where Bitcoin was sitting. I had a feeling Bitcoin was gonna fucking dump hard, man, and it didn't. It rallied back up. So this is where we got the signal. We broke back across the Kijinsen, which is the midterm, and then the Chico Span just broke back above price tonight. We're back above the cloud. The cloud is aimed upwards, right? It's a little bit too young to say we're trending on it, but it's looking good. So I'm definitely taking a trade tonight on OGN. Let's look at the 4-hour. 4 hours been holding the Tengen-sen. Kijinsen's going flat. This is going flat, so we may range here a little while more. So I could see us coming back down tonight, back down to 64 cents, maybe even 60 cents, and then a bounce possibly, right? So also the RTSI looks like it's about to push back up. So everything's looking good on OGN right now. Hourly looks like it came back down, and now we might be heading back up. We just got the crossover continuation signal. Right, so that's all I'm going to say for OGN, but nothing else is giving me a signal tonight, guys. ZEC, let's see, 156.07. So with my system, right, we want to see a red a green bar on Wadatar explosion, right? So whenever we get a close below the explosion level or the dead zone, that's telling me we're just kind of ranging right now. But it's also telling me probably a good time to close my short position if I'm short. So this told me to go short here, and if I stayed in this, it's telling me now that I should probably be closing my short, but it's not telling me to go long yet. Right? Technically, to go long, you really want to be over the Kijisen, but if you're aggressive, you can take it when it gets above the tank it's in. But then I'd only be looking for a move probably to the Kijisen, and I'd definitely take some profits there because a lot of times when you're downtrend, you're coming down, retracing, and then more downside. So this, ZEC looks like it's going up, retracing to the cloud, and then probably another leg up. But not a bad spot to take ZEC right now. But I probably wouldn't do it after 10, 13% move. Let's see what it does tomorrow. Ren, same thing. It's telling me I should probably be closing my short if I'm in a short, but it's not giving me a long position yet. LRC, same thing. A lot of these are telling me close your shorts, but they're not giving me a long. OGN's the only one that's really giving me a long signal, right? Gave it to me yesterday because we were above the Kijisen. Same thing here. It's telling me close my short if I'm in a short. Right? And it does look like it's about to bounce off of this. Right? Held. Looks like we're probably going to go back up. Matic had a nice push up today. Came out of the liquidity zone right here. And it's green, but it just doesn't have enough, right? Doesn't have enough power. We're still in the dead zone on it. So let's see what happens with Matic over the next day or two. But everything, same thing, guys. I could go through all of these. They're all same thing. It's telling me close my short. Right? It's not telling me to go long yet. If you want to go long, I'd at least wait till you got above the tank it's in. Right? And these haven't even told me to close my, well, they are telling me to close my short, but they're not even up to the, this told me to go short, but it still never gave me a long also. But that's pretty much the whole market, what's going on right now, except for these in the red zone. These are still telling me to go short. This give me a short signal tonight. Right? Continuation short signal. Right? All these are telling me I should still be short. But the other ones that I was going on over down here, let's look at the green ones. Right, these are all above the cloud. These could all be about to see reversal, but I'm not getting it yet. Right, this didn't even tell me to exit my short yet. If I took the short. Possible reversal on ANKR coming in. Wait till tomorrow. Nothing on BCH. Sorry. BCH. Just trading sideways right now on BCH. Comp. Nothing sideways. close my short if I was in it. Fox is telling me to close my long if I was in it. It told me to close my long 4 days ago, right here, and hasn't given me a right. We don't know if this is just a retracement, and then we're gonna go back up. But until I get a green bar back above the dead zone, nothing to do with Fox. KNC still holding both the short term and the medium term, but it is telling me to consider closing my long if I was in it. I probably wouldn't. It's to me it's looking fine, right? We're above the Tenkan-sen, above the Kijun-sen, still have this aimed up, so I don't see any reason to close. Besides this, which just tell me we're going sideways, I don't see any reason to close. Actually, this would probably be a good place to buy. LCX, nothing doing. OMG, possibly going to bounce off the cloud. But just saying sideways right now. Right, until I get a green candle, and this is back in the bullish control zone, you know, I'm staying out of it. So nothing else happening, you guys. Right, sideways. Sol didn't tell me to close my short yet if I was in it. That is a nice candle, right? But with Bitcoin where it's at, we don't know what Bitcoin's doing. So I'd be careful. So that's all I got for tonight. Let's just put some numbers together if you're going to take the OGN trade. So with OGN, I'd be looking for a move to 75.6, 83.7, 91.8. Those would be my three profit areas. And if we close below 55.31, that would be my out. Now keep in mind, this is because we didn't take it yesterday. This is a big range for my stop loss, right? So I'm not going to be able to put in as much as I did yesterday, as I would have been able to yesterday, because I have to make up for such a wide stop. So 2% risk on a $10,000 account. Let's just play with some numbers. Come on. So my risk on a $10,000 account, 2% risk, I'd be allowed to lose $200, right? So what we do is we take the price now, which is 0.673, take away 0.553. So that would be a loss of 12 cents per share, and we're allowed to lose 200 bucks divided by 0.12. So I'm allowed 1,666 shares at times 0.675. So out of my $10,000 account, I'd be able to put in $1,125, and if it hits my stop loss, which is 18% away, I'd lose $200 on it. Right? So out of my $10,000 account, I lose 200 bucks. Right? So that is what it is, guys. So 75 cents, 83 cents, 91 cents is what I'm looking for, with stop loss of 55 cents. And let's see if we get some signals tomorrow, right? Let's see if Bitcoin continues up a little bit and we we get some continuation signals on the rest of the coins. But for now, that's all I have for you. Trade safely and have a good night. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. And like, share, follow if you found this helpful. We'd really appreciate it. We've been doing it for 3 months. We're slowly getting traction. But, you know, we haven't been putting out many videos lately because of the market's just been going down. So let's see if the market's gonna turn here with people cashing their checks from their taxes, and we'll get back to business making some money. All right, take care. Have a good night.